Halo, welcome to Learn Indonesian with Maria. In this channel, I will share you how to learn Indonesian in easy way. Yesterday was the Indonesian National Education Day. Indonesians celebrated every May 2nd to commemorate the birth of Ki Hajar Dewantara. Ki Hajar Dewantara is a pioneer figure in education in Indonesia. He is respected as the father of national education. At the colonial time, education was very difficult to obtain by native people. Only the nobles who had access to education. But Ki Hajar Dewantara founded a school called Taman Siswa in 1922 so that all Indonesian native people could get a proper education. That's why today we will learn how to pronounce pendidikan. 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 Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the button like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye, sampai jumpa.